Think you know everything about the vagina? Well, think again. Whether you're here out of curiosity, to learn more about your own body, or to better understand your partner, today we're diving into some fascinating and little-known facts about the vagina. And don't worry, this is a judgment-free, educational space where science meets curiosity. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with knowledge that'll leave you saying, I had no idea. Let's get started. Section 1. What exactly is the vagina? Before we get into the fun facts, let's clarify one thing. The word vagina is often used incorrectly. Most people use it to refer to the entire female genital area. But anatomically, the vagina is specifically the muscular canal that connects the cervix to the outside of the body. The external part, that's the vulva, which includes the labia, clitoris, and other structures. Understanding this distinction is the first step in truly appreciating the incredible anatomy we're about to explore. Section 2. The self-cleaning wonder. Fact number 1. The vagina is a self-cleaning organ. That's right, it has its own cleaning system, thanks to healthy bacteria like lactobacillus. These bacteria maintain an acidic pH, which helps prevent infections. This means you don't need harsh soaps or douches to clean it. In fact, using those can disrupt the natural balance and cause irritation or infections. A gentle rinse with water is all you need. Think of it like a high-tech cleaning system that just works. Pretty amazing, huh? Section 3. The incredible elasticity. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. The vagina is incredibly elastic and can stretch significantly. It's designed to expand during childbirth, something that's nothing short of miraculous. But what happens afterward? The vagina typically returns to its original shape, although this might vary based on factors like age and how many children someone has had. It's like the superhero of body parts. Section 4. Unique fingerprints. No two are alike. Did you know that vaginas are like fingerprints? Each one is unique. This applies to everything from appearance to pH levels. Speaking of pH, the vagina's typical pH is around 3.8 to 4.5, making it slightly acidic. This acidity helps keep harmful bacteria at bay, but it can change due to factors like menstruation, menopause, or certain medications. So, just like fingerprints, every vagina has its own personality. Section 5. The role of the clitoris. Now let's talk about a superstar that doesn't get enough credit, the clitoris. While the clitoris is often thought of as just a small external nub, it's actually much larger. Most of it is internal, with structures that extend deep into the pelvis. Fun fact. The sole purpose of the clitoris is pleasure. That's right, no other function, just joy. And it has about 8,000 nerve endings, which is twice as many as the penis. Nature outdid itself with this one. Section 6. The menstrual cycle and what it does. Here's a fascinating fact about the vagina during the menstrual cycle. Hormonal changes cause the vaginal tissue to thicken and increase lubrication at certain times of the month, making it more receptive to sperm. The body is literally setting the stage for potential pregnancy, like a well-orchestrated play. If pregnancy doesn't happen, the cycle resets. It's a delicate and complex system that works like clockwork most of the time. Section 7. The vagina and aging. As we age, the vagina undergoes changes, especially during and after menopause. Lower estrogen levels can lead to vaginal dryness and thinning of the walls, a condition called vaginal atrophy. But don't worry. There are treatments like vaginal moisturizers, lubricants, and even hormone therapy to help with these changes. Aging is natural, and so are these adjustments. Section 8. Myth busting, the hymen. Time to bust a common myth, the hymen. Contrary to popular belief, the hymen is not a seal that breaks during first-time intercourse. It's a thin membrane that can stretch or tear from various activities, including sports or using tampons. And guess what? Not everyone is born with a prominent hymen, and its presence or condition isn't an indicator of virginity. Let's retire that outdated myth for good. Section 9. health and maintenance tips. Keeping the vagina healthy is simple if you follow these tips. 1. Practice safe sex. Use condoms or other barrier methods to reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections, STIs. 2. Regular check UPS. See a gynecologist regularly for screenings like pap smears and pelvic exams. 3. Wear breathable underwear. Cotton underwear allows the area to breathe, reducing moisture and the risk of infections. 4. Stay hydrated and eat well. A balanced diet and proper hydration can contribute to overall vaginal health. Section 10. Strange but true facts. Ready for some strange but true facts? 1. The vagina has been part of medical history for centuries. For example, ancient Egyptians used honey and crocodile dung as contraceptives. Gross, but fascinating. 2. Vaginal muscles are so strong they can be trained to lift small weights. This is the basis of pelvic floor exercises like Kegels, which can improve bladder control and sexual satisfaction. Section 11. When to see a doctor. Lastly, let's talk about when to seek medical advice. If you experience unusual symptoms like itching, burning, abnormal discharge, or pain, don't hesitate to see a healthcare provider. Early diagnosis can make all the difference. Well, there you have it. Some amazing facts about the vagina that you probably didn't know. From its self-cleaning powers to its incredible elasticity, the vagina is nothing short of remarkable. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button for more fun and educational content. Remember, knowledge is power, and there's no such thing as knowing too much about our bodies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.